Okay, let me show you the new formatting tab. So here is my personal lesson bank. I have my formatting tab, and then I have my classes. This is my present solution to not needing to format everything, because I hate the formatting. I hate it when it looks junky and crazy. I like it when it looks like this. And so I will find a better solution that is less work. It's not more work. That is slicker, but in the meantime, this is the best I've come up with. So when you go to your lessons, you want to plan a lesson. So let's do my next lesson. So say I have these 4 lessons. So I highlight them, I copy them, and then I come over to my lesson bank, not the collaborative lesson bank, sorry, to my lesson bank. I slap them in to my PLB, I get my schedule, it runs the script, it makes them, but the formatting is crazy. See, this is not good formatting. However, with this tab, I can click on the formatting tab, and boom, as soon as anything is in this schedule maker tab, and remember the schedule maker tab needs to be first, but you can add this formatting tab. If you're getting the PLB new, it's in it already. If you already have the PLB, then I will show you how to get it right after this. So this is your how-to, and then I'll show you how to get it into yours. So as soon as you put anything in the schedule maker tab, then automatically it'll format it how we like it in the formatting one. So instead of copying from your schedule maker, you just go to this formatting one, highlight these rows, ding, 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 hold down shift, highlight the last one so you get all of them, copy them, and then go to your classroom tabs, and then I'll highlight some rows, add them above, and so now when I paste them in here, then it's pasting. And you can do regular Control V. If for some reason it's it's copying them over crazy, then just do that Control Shift V, that values only. But so far, I think we're good to just do regular pasting in here. And so then that's a quick and easy way to get these. I like putting a little line in between the things, so then I know that's my day. So that's a quick and easy way. You're just putting it in your schedule. It'll be crazy, but it'll automatically be formatted nicely in that formatting tab. So just copy from the format tab and into your classes tab, and then you'll have beautiful formatting, and you don't have to go and click all those like top aligned, vertical, blah, 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 no wrapping, text wrapping, blah, blah, blah. You don't have to do all of that. It's just automatically there. Okay, so now if you don't have it, sorry, you had to watch that first if you're just here for the video explanation of how to get it. So if you're in your personal lesson bank and say you don't have this tab yet, what you want to do is you want to go to the personal lesson bank. You can find this in the first email that I sent you with it, or if you paid through Square, it's in your receipt. So you go to that personal lesson bank, the read-only one, this one that you initially got your copy from. So from here, the format tab is the third one. I put it there so that if people didn't like that, then it would just come up as Schedule Maker My Classes. So it's the third tab right now. It may be different, but it's Format Classes. So when you're on the read-only one, you come down here to the Format Classes, you right-click, and you come right here to Copy To. On Copy To will let you copy from this doc to another doc, this tab that we have highlighted. So we click Copy To. It'll pop up with your options. So find, this is my drive currently. So mine's under the CLB. And then my bank is called Sarah's Lesson Bank. You can also, if you're just here and you're like, oh, I don't know, and I knew that I named it Sarah's, and see, and already it's coming up, Sarah's Lesson Bank. And as you can see, it's there. But that's the other way. You click where you have it or wherever it is, and then you click the one you want it to go to, and click select, and it's copying the sheet. It's successful. So now I didn't mess up anything on here. I don't have to change it. It's all normal here. But when I go to my lesson bank, now you can see, dun 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 dun, I have this copy of Format Classes, and I don't want it to be copy of. I want it just format. So double click on it, and then you can delete it. It's not going to let me do that because I already have one named that. So I'll just say 2. And notice that there's stuff in it. The reason why there's stuff in it is because it automatically pulls from the Schedule Maker one. So since I had those classes I just showed you, it's automatically already starting to format them for me. So that's a good reminder to yourself to just keep your schedule maker. So like select the top row, number 3, just scroll down. You don't need to get this exact. Hold shift, select. It'll select all those rows in between, and then just delete them. Also, if you want to clear the formatting, it doesn't matter on here now because you have that formatting tab, but you can do control and then / and that erases the formatting in it. So now that that's empty, if I come to that format one, that's empty too. So it will automatically do it. Then you can move that to your second one or your third one, wherever you want it, and now it'll work. So I hope this is helpful. I hope you like it. I like it. It seems like it adds another step, but it actually doesn't, because you're still just pasting once into here, and then instead of copying from here and putting it into your classes, you're just coming to this one, to your formatting tab, and copying from here and then putting it in your classes. But you didn't have to do any of the formatting. It was automatic. Okay, good luck. I hope this is helpful. Hope you like it. Hope you're loving the the PLB. New videos, that's what I'm working on today. New videos to come. Hopefully we'll have them all. It'll be clear and easy.